In this question, we're given this complicated function that we see here. P is a function of t, and we're just simply asked to find the derivative. And what makes this a little bit tricky is that we're going to have to apply the chain rule twice. So we've got an outer function, sort of given by surrounded by the square brackets with the 0.5 as the exponent. And then we've got an inner function right in here, the 2t plus 5t squared plus, minus 5t all cubed. And inside that, we have another, in order to take the derivative of that, we have another inner function here. Oh, sorry, let me do that a little bit more accurately here. We've got another inner function inside those round brackets in there. Okay. So let's find our derivative here. To get our, we'll do our outer first, and we'll bring down that exponent of 1/2. And then we have what's in the square brackets, 5t squared minus 5t, all to the power of 3. That all stays the same. And we subtract 1 from the exponent, so that becomes negative 1/2. And then we want to multiply that by the derivative of what's inside. So that's the thing that's with the red braces there. So we take the derivative of that function. And that's going to be 2 plus, that's the derivative of our first term. And for the derivative of the second term, well, we need to use the chain rule. So we bring down our exponent of 3. 3 times 5 gives us 15. We're going to have t squared minus 5t in brackets there. Our exponent becomes 2. And that term needs to get multiplied by the derivative of what's inside those round brackets, which is going to be 2t minus 5. Close those brackets, and then we need another set of closed brackets there. Okay. So that's going to be our derivative, and from here we can just sort of simplify this a little bit. We know that the term in square brackets is going to go down on the denominator of our function here, underneath the square root sign, so that's 2t plus 5 t squared minus 5t all cubed. And that 1/2, we can bring the 2 down underneath as well. And then up in the numerator, we're going to have 2 plus 15 times t squared minus 5t all squared. And that whole mess is going to be, sorry, just this term right here is multiplied by our 2t minus 5. Okay? And I guess I don't need this round bracket on the front. So I'll just sort of take that off. And that then is our final answer.